The Greater Ateker Marathon held on Sunday, 29th January 2023 in Amuria Town attracted all groups of people, including central and local government officials, people from the private sector, the elderly, the youth and the children. They came to run and fundraise for the purchase of the maternity bed, sterilizer and the renovation of the dilapidated Wera Health Centre III. The State Minister for Works, Honourable Musa Francis Ecweru, who is also the Amuria MP, appreciated the people who turned up, including guests and sons and daughters of the soil who worked in Kampala, Entebbe and Jinja.
I participated in the road run. It drew a number of young people from Wera. It drew adults from Wera, and it drew also elders from Wera. It hurts me when educated people just abandon the region and only come to that region when they are dead. And that is not good at all. So when people participate in helping government cannot do everything. But once people know that government is going to do this, but on our own as local people can also do A, B, C, and D, to me that is very, very satisfying.
Onapito Ekomoliot, the Legal and Corporate Affairs Director of Now Breweries Limited, says the marathon was organized by the residents and people born in Wera sub-county, supported by their friends, to mobilize support for the renovation of Wera III Health Centre.
It's dedicated to revamping Wera Health Centre III, and there is an old building there where my father used to be the medical assistant. He was called John Onapito. He died in 2002. And on behalf of the Onapito family, we pledge to contribute 50 million shillings to renovate all the tile.
Richard Adongo, the chairperson of the organizing committee of the Greater Ateker Marathon, said that the health facility had the older structure built in 1943.
The aim of this run is to make sure that we collect money to buy a maternity bed for Wera Health Centre III and also buy a sterilizer. Then also we want to renovate the oldest building built in 1943, which used to be the only building in Wera Health Centre.
Wera Health Centre III serves about 8,400 people annually in Amuria and neighboring Surrey district. The output patient department receives 2,500 to 2,600 patients monthly. Wera Health Centre III has only one general ward which accommodates patients from postnatal, maternity, pediatric ward or children, TB and casualty.